I'm going to make pork chops today. I'm going to flavor them with some cumin, sambal, fish sauce, some tamarind concentrate, turmeric, garlic, and ginger. And let's get started. I've grated up about 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon of the ginger. That's what's in there. I'm going to add a tablespoon of the tamarind concentrate, a tablespoon of Sambal Olek, a tablespoon of fish sauce, or thereabouts. I'm going to add a teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, and 3 garlic cloves. 3 cloves that I'm going to put through the grater here. I don't use this thing very often, but it does come in handy sometimes. Okay, got that all in there. That's going to be our marinade. Gonna mix it all up. Just like that. Put our 2 chops in. We're going to marinate these for at least an hour. Just nice looking chops. And the fish sauce isn't going to really be enough to salt these, so I'm going to put some salt on the one side. When I turn them over, I'll put a little bit on the next side, not as much. And just get all this marinating, and check on it every 10 minutes or so, and turn it, and pay attention to it, especially if you're only going to do it for an hour, which I'm only going to do it for an hour. These have been marinating a couple hours. I went over the hour, and part of the time in the refrigerator and part of the time out of the refrigerator. Get all the marinade off, because we're going to put these in a pan. Now, you could cook these differently. On a grill would be wonderful, outside. That way you don't have to take the marinade off. We're going to kind of use the marinade as a sauce. If you were cooking something else, you could use the marinade as a sauce and add some, I would add wine to it. And, put it in at the last moment like a stir fry. And it would be a wonderful sauce for your pork or your shrimp, whatever you're cooking. I'm going to add some oil. I'm using vegetable oil, something that can take higher heat. I'm going to turn them over. It's been about 2.5 minutes. I'm going to add the rest of the marinade to the pan. I have my oven on 400 degrees. I'm going to put these in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. These have been in the oven for 10 minutes. I'm going to allow them to rest, and then we'll make our plate. I like to put some lime juice over the pork. And I'm kind of making this as a special dish for someone in the Philippines who lives on an island. I think you might know who you are. A bite of this or two. It's very, very nice. I'm serving it with my favorite cauliflower recipe and some buttered peas. It's delicious. And thank you so much for watching.